Hi, welcome back to our channel Baby's World India educational series. If you like this episode, then please like, share, subscribe and comment below. And if you have not subscribed yet, then please press the subscribe button and also press the bell icon to receive the notification for our new videos. Thank you. I'm back with words for letter C. So let's start. C for cake. Cake. C for camel. Camel. C for cap. Cap. C for car. Car. C for carrot. Carrot. C for cat. Cat. C for cheetah. Cheetah. C for chicken. Chicken. C for cow. Cow. C for crown. Crown. If you have liked this episode, then let me know in the comment box below, and also please like it, share it and subscribe. Thank you.